Do you know what this is about? It's about bringing the entire SIS family, 3 countries, together.
I'm very happy to share today that we have more than 1,400 athletes participating from 15 locations of SIS Group.
It was great seeing this fantastic opening ceremony, and I guess I saw it from the perspective of students working for 3 months putting this together.
Forming an alumni, forming a family, so that SIS students in Indonesia have friends and networks in India, in Myanmar, in other countries. This is what SIS is about. Sports brings people together. What you see out there is a uniting event.
This is a very big moment for SIS because it shows that we are a platform. We really give that intercultural or the international experience to the kids with these kind of events. I wish all my kids and athletes all the best.
Teamwork, long practices, trying to really build up enthusiasm for this great SIS Olympic event. So it was great to see the outcome today, everyone enjoying it, parents watching, the parents proud of their kids. It was a great event to be at, and it's a great start to our Olympic season.